Hey guys, I got dumped by big yellow bins. Do you have any garbage, trash, junk, waste, or rubble? Well, whatever you call it, we'll haul it. Because we have 4, 14, or 20-yard bins ready to go at your disposal. See what I did there? Disposal and garbage? So just listen to what some of our customers have to say. Great customer service. They're very professional. We got rid of my junk in a jiffy. Great customer service. And that driver, Gary, he's really cute. So call today and book your bin with Brittany. She's really nice. So remember the name, Big Yellow Bins, where you can get dumped too.